So they just tried to steal it, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let me check. So you guys got a quote already on the dealer?
They said they weren't able to give us a quote until it was brought in.
Oh,
they weren't
yeah.
really able to diagnose it or anything over the phone. Because they said they couldn't tell if it was because they ruined the ignition cylinder.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know what they did to it.
Yeah, that. Because they jammed it. Maybe they put a screwdriver in there.
And like broke.
Yeah. Something broke in there. So that's why they're saying they have to replace the whole cylinder. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. I'm here at my friend's own place, going to do a key ignition replacement on a 2016 Hyundai Accent. I don't even know where the car is. Lost, right there, white Hyundai Accent. Ooh. Hi. Good morning. How are you?
Good.
You got it? Okay. All right. Good. Okay. Yeah, I'll take care of it and I'll text you. You're gonna go interview, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you.
So what happened was someone tried to steal the car. See, they jammed maybe a screwdriver here and just popped off this plastic cover. It doesn't go all the way in. Only that much. And it's locked right here. It's gonna be hard. Move this. Push. Pull. Press it down. Press this. Pull. Good. Pop this up. Oh, this is the shear bolts. To remove that. I think I know how. Just have to put this up like that. Maybe wedge something here. Wedge this right here. Okay, that gives me space. Use this. This works good. How would I do this? Go right here. Hit it like that. I think that would work. We gotta try. Let's do this. Oh, see that spark? Dang. Lefty doosey. Ooh, can I get it? A little bit more. Just like this. A little bit more. This is the best tool ever right here. I'm gonna work that Nissan. His name is Troy, or Foreman. He broke his one out because a bolt had broken off and he took out the stud. It's coming loose. Almost there. just mark this right here. Okay, next side right over here. Huh. This will work. It's right here. Going from here. Ooh. Kind of tight. From here. Oh man, can't really see it. Not that much space. Like that. So it's turning. Yep, it's turning. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Oh, my back. Got it. Gotta move the steering wheel. Which way? This way. Oh, there you go. It popped off. Goes in there. Goes there, right there. Good. Probably it's better to remove the steering wheel. Not much space over here. Now just remove this. Push this one in. So on the bottom right here. Oh, there we go, got it. And this one right here. Stick. Yep, that's it. What the hell? Weld on it? What was that? Someone touched this already. Okay, this new one. 81, 91, 0, 1R, 110. Okay. The other one. What's this? 81, 900, 1RJ00. Got new keys. Put this one on first. This. This goes like this. Up. This is 1.25 thread pitch. Let's see how long that is. It's the same length. Pick this up. Just like that. Oh. Oh. Get in there. Are you screwing in or what? Don't fall, don't fall. There we go. It's in. I think it's in. Okay, yeah, it's in. There's my other bolt. I think I got it. Line it up just like that right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. You still don't have a problem. Hello, put it down, bruh. That's why. Ooh, that's tight. Oh, cannot, bro. Shit. Okay, look at this. How the hell am I gonna stick the socket in there? How can I tighten that? Okay, luckily I brought the shear bolts. I got shear bolts right here, guys. Put on the shear bolts. That's easy. This side. Tighten that, size 8. I don't even have much space. Take better fit. Yes, it's. There we go. Broke off. Next side. It's getting tighter. Alright, looks good. Back this. How do you pop that one out? Just press here. Press here. Oh, there you go. Yep. Press it in. Okay, good. Go in here. So it goes like this. Oh, okay. Good. 2 screws. I think this is it. Up the hood, disconnect the battery. Okay, now I have to figure out where these go. Nope, this one goes up here. Wait. Yes. Okay, good. Right here. Okay, good. Goes over here. Okay. Where's this one go? I think it goes over here. This is for the clock spring. Okay. Now, anyone. Okay, has to be on the ACC. It's on the ACC right now. Goes like this. And then it clicks. I heard it. Put this one on. Click. Get locked right over there. Is that it? How do you unlock that? So it's right over here. Push up. Using my knee. Pull it out. Yep. See? That's it right there. That's a pin. Let's go put it. Good. Everything looks okay right here. Let's put on the battery and start it up. Alright. Start it up. Alright. There's a check engine light on. I don't know why. Crotch. P219602 sensor signal stuck rich. Body control module B1764. OCS map defect. Put this one back. Okay, good. Get in there. Screw it over there. Oh shit, might have broken off. Yep, it's broken off. Here, this one, what about this? Nope. Okay, well, 79,000 miles. Ooh, there's one screw right there. Get in there. Let's see if it'll lock. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. How's it, guys? Thank you for watching till the end. For those that didn't watch till the end, shame on you guys. Nah, it's okay, don't worry about it. So SEMA last week was awesome, and guess what I got? I got this. Bam, 20 bucks. And you know what? This is a giveaway. This is a giveaway, guys, so you know what to do. Comment, and next week on Sunday, I will announce the winner. So the gentleman that I bought it from at Spring Tools.
We also do have the bigger one. SEMA special is 40 bucks.
I told him about my own. I had this for 20 years right here. And you know what he did? He gave me, where is it? A free one. Bought this for 20, and he gave this to me free. And you know what? I'm gonna give away this one. Alright guys, you know what to do. Comment. Next Sunday, I'm going to announce 2 winners. Alright guys, almost forgot about the rules. You have to be a US resident, Alaska, Hawaii, territory, Guam, and Puerto Rico. Virgin Islands is good. American Samoa, Northern Mariana Islands, that's like Saipan, Tinian, Rhoda. Did I forget anything? For those that want to buy it now, there is a link on my video description. Check it out. Shoots! Peace! Cut.